This coconut yogurt chia seed smoothie bowl is the perfect way to kickstart your mornings, made in the comfort of your own cozy kitchen in just 5 minutes. Today's video will discuss how to make coconut yogurt chia seed smoothie bowl. By using coconut yogurt in this recipe, I've kept it dairy-free, but still packed with flavor and creamy texture. I've added chia seeds, one of my favorite sneaky superfoods, for extra nutrients, as well. I've used blueberries to add some color, and a heap of antioxidants, but you can use your favorite berries. Let's make this photo-worthy breakfast. Ingredients: 3 bananas, sliced, 4 dates, pitted and halved, 2 cups coconut milk yogurt, 1/4 cup coconut water, 1 small container of blueberries, 1/4 cup chia seeds. Toppings: hemp seeds, sliced strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. Directions: place the first 6 ingredients in a food processor, and blend until smooth. Place in an airtight container, and allow to chill for 20 minutes prior to serving. Add to bowls, and top with hemp seeds, sliced strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Don't forget to take a photo of your awesome coconut yogurt chia seed smoothie bowl, before serving, and enjoying. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments section below.